Wow. Cotton candy. Wala sang zoom.
Wala, hindi mo pwede ito.
Oo nga eh. Yeah, Cyrus, relax. Yan po ang bagahe niya. Yan po yung bulaklak niya. Papatay natin siya.
Oh, mag-shades ka, mag-shades ka.
Oh.
Ikaw ba ang dyan? Masakit ka mag-anak. Interview. Shades. Shades na nga ako.
Oh yeah. Hey, look. My dad might see. I'm allowed to smoke, but
I'm shades, you
I
know?
don't smoke in front of him. Just
I'm
out of
shades.
respect.
There's a sound.
Huh?
Hi!
Ang dami po niyang jacket.
Bakit?
Interview.
Sai, how do you feel about leaving? Sai.
I don't know how to describe my feeling.
Ang kapal ng
Are you excited?
A bit.
Ang kapal ng jacket niyo.
So what's the first thing you're going to do upon arriving?
First,
Beggar.
I'll get my baggage first,
Then?
Of course.
and then ito ang jacket.
Okay, cool to.
Lamig-lamig doon. Ang kapal niyan.
It'll be alright. It won't be too cold. Just as long as...
0 degrees lang naman daw.
Oh yeah. Might get a bit shocked at the weather at first.
May parang, may ka-jacket kasi
Shan.
insekto. Yung insekto. Hindi.
Yung shades, suot mo.
Oo. Armani.
Okay!
Wow. Siya
Dude.
po yung may insekto sa Naruto.